It is the morning after the wedding, and what a day it was. But I've woken up with like a stinking cold, and so I spent most of the morning in bed. But I was woken up to Marianne opening the van, saying, "Woohoo! I'm going to go and jump off a bridge with the girls." She's mad. So I've got up and we are going to drive down to a local bridge where apparently they're going to jump off it. Nobody's done it before, so we don't know how deep it is, or whether they're going to break their legs when they do it. But yeah, that's where we're going in a bit. See you there. Okay, so the question is, how deep is the water? Actually, nobody knows.
Well, apparently they've...
So we've managed to grab a couple of local guys who are going to volunteer so that these guys don't, because apparently there are rocks in some places. Don't try this at home. These guys are crazy, like, is it cold?
No!
No?
No.
You sure?
I'm actually really scared because it's the height. Look over there.
Marianne, you want to swim now?
Go and set the best. But I'm going to do it. Mama did a race no quiz. 1 kidney, 2,
Hold your breath.
cold, but the jump was much worse than hitting the water. But it's really good and I'm really happy I did it.
Yay!
Whenever I'm off to find a sunset, a flavor of a memory.
Well, wowzers is a good word to use. We have just had the most awesome 3-day event of a wedding.
Awesome. And we are at Cat and Dave's house in Glenveagh, the bride and groom, where we've just filled up with water, done all our washing. So thanks guys, we're ready to hit the road again.
We're all fresh.
We're all fresh. And we're leaving the beautiful town of Glenveagh on the Donegal coastline. And today we are heading to
The forest.
Glenveagh National Park.
Yes.
Which is just west inland of where we are, probably about 45 minutes drive. So we're going to go and find some beautiful scenery. Not that it's not beautiful already, because everything's been amazingly awesome.
Stunning.
Stunning.
So there's a castle as well at Glenveagh National Park, so we're going to pop in, have a little look at that, check that out.
And for those of you that said, don't come to Ireland, the weather's terrible, why would you go to Ireland? Look, we haven't had a bad day yet, and we're 2 weeks in, so you lied.
Yep.
Come to Ireland.
The Isle, the Emerald Isle, it's called that because it rains all the time and it's green. Honestly, I've got sunburnt this week. It's just ridiculously warm. Yesterday it hit about 20 degrees. Today it's forecast 25 degrees.
Hottest day of the year today so far, apparently.
Honestly, and it's just been in the mid to low 20s, but it's absolutely gloriously sunshine. Even when we've had the wind and a cold chill, it's still blue skies and sunny. May is the month, apparently.
Absolutely.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free.
So we've driven a couple of kilometres east of Dunlewy, and we've seen a signpost for somewhere called Poison Glen, and we've driven down.
And this is the Poison Glen, and then just behind us over here is the Church of Ireland, Dunlewy.
We've actually run out of descriptive words to describe the landscape that we're seeing. So if you guys have got any original words other than the words we're using, like awesome, fabulous, amazing, incredible, stunning,
Wowzers.
then please let us know, because we can start to use something a little bit more original.
In fact, we're going to just put out the videos and let everybody describe their own scenery, because the scenery is so astounding.
Absolutely. So please put a comment below and let us know what you think of the scenery where we are. So we've come down to Glenveagh National Park Visitors Centre, and we are doing the 4-kilometre trek to go and see the castle, and we're about halfway.
And it's hot.
It's very hot.
It's burning hot sun weather. It's beautiful, absolutely lovely.
And who would have thought that Marianne would actually be getting sunburnt in Ireland, but I think she is.
I am, and it's wonderful.
And the scenery is absolutely amazing. You can see it behind me, and there I go with that amazing word again, but it's true. So hopefully the castle is worth the walk. There's a gate, which means we must be nearly there.
It's an absolutely fabulous walk. You go past the lake all the way down on your right hand side. The gardens are lovely. And now we're entering into the castle area. The gardens are getting even better with different coloured rhododendrons. Oh, and there's bicycles.
And there's bicycles.
Glenveagh Castle. We've done a 4-kilometre walk, which was tough because it was really sunny. We weren't anticipating the sun. But where we are now is on the Swiss Trail, and the castle is somewhere over there. So Chris is going to send the drone up because this lake behind us is just stunning, and hopefully he'll be able to go along the side of the castle and the lake and actually see the castle, because we can't see it at all yet. And Chris is just down there. Hello.
Hello.
Haha. So yeah, we're going to try and get the drone up so we can see show you how spectacular it is.